Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to refinance your mortgage and potentially save big on your monthly payments, you've come to the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through how to refinance your mortgage with Rocket Mortgage. Let's dive in. Step 1. Assess your current mortgage situation. Before you begin the refinancing process, take a close look at your current mortgage. Identify your interest rate, remaining balance, and any other financial obligations. This assessment will help you determine if refinancing is beneficial for your specific situation. Step 2. Research current market rates. Interest rates fluctuate, and it's important to have a good understanding of the current market rates. Spend some time researching average mortgage rates in your area. This will give you a baseline to compare against your current mortgage and help you decide if refinancing will be advantageous. Step 3. Gather necessary documentation. To streamline the refinancing process, collect all relevant documents beforehand. You'll typically need proof of income, pay stubs, W-2s, or tax returns, bank statements, current mortgage statement, property tax information, any other documents that may be requested by the lender. Step 4. Visit the Rocket Mortgage website. Navigate to the Rocket Mortgage website. Their user-friendly platform will guide you through the entire refinancing process. Click on the Refinance option to get started. Step 5. Fill out the online application. Rocket Mortgage has a straightforward online application. Provide your information, including details about your current mortgage, income, and property. Ensure all entered details are accurate, as this will expedite the approval process. Step 6. Get pre-approved. After submitting your application, Rocket Mortgage will conduct a quick review of your financial information. They may ask for additional documentation at this stage. Once approved, you'll receive a pre-approval letter which you can use to move forward with the refinancing process. Step 7. Choose your loan. Type Rocket Mortgage offers various refinancing options, including traditional fixed-rate mortgages and adjustable-rate mortgages. Consider your financial goals and how long you plan to stay in your home before selecting the best option for you. Step 8. Review loan estimates. After selecting the loan type, you'll receive a loan estimate outlining the terms, interest rate, and closing costs. Take time to review this document carefully. Compare it with your current mortgage terms to gauge potential savings. Step 9. Complete the process. If you are satisfied with the loan estimate, proceed with the final steps. Sign the necessary documents, and Rocket Mortgage will schedule a closing date. At closing, any outstanding fees will be taken care of, and your new mortgage will be finalized. Step 10. Start enjoying your savings. Once the refinancing is complete and the paperwork is filed, you can start enjoying the financial benefits. Make sure to adjust your budget accordingly and consider putting some of your savings towards your mortgage principal or other financial goals. Thank you for watching. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content on mortgages, real estate, and personal finance.